Adarsh Gande, roll number 102. Sir, from you, Adarsh.
Yes,
What is
ma'am.
integration of x square? Yes,
X
Adarsh.
square,
What is integration of x square?
x cube upon 3.
Correct. So it is x cube upon 3. Limits are 0 to 1.
0 to 1.
So when you put the limit, upper limit, it gives 1. Correct. What is your roll number, Ganesh? Sorry, Adarsh 102. Right.
102.
So Amy 102 has unmuted and replied whenever I called. Okay, good. Now I want AN. AN. Now the formula for AN is now who will answer this question? Formula for AN. Okay. Suraj Pandule, roll number 13. Unmute and answer. Suraj Pandule. What is formula for AN in case of this even function? Many students are answering correctly in the chat box. Good. Continue. Simplify. Yes. Are you answering? Not replied. Okay. Kunal Patil, roll number 49. Unmute and answer. Yes. Mrunal, you are correct. Suraj Pandey, what happened? Huh? Now will it be 1 by pi? Formula is 2 by L.
2 by L, yes.
It is not pi anywhere, isn't it? 2 by L.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, continue. Integral
0 to 1.
0 to L. Okay, let us write formula first. Fx into what is
Cos
there in
nx
the
dx.
formula? Fx into
Cos nx dx.
cos n pi x, right, by L dx. It is not nx dx. Now I have to put L equal to 1. So what it will be? 2 by 1, 0 to 1. Fx is x square and cos of n pi x dx. घाई करू नका तुम्ही एल ची व्हॅल्यू नंतर सबस्टिट्यूट करा. सर सकट
Yes.
सगळीकडे cos nx dx नाही लिहायचंय. जेव्हा तुमच्या
Yes,
इंटरवलची व्हॅल्यू -π to +π किंवा 0 to 2π असते तेव्हा nx येतं. अदरवाइज इट मे बी डिफरंट. ओके, सो
Yes.
केअरफुली राईट इट. कुणाला आता समजलंय का तुला व्यवस्थित?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you just apply the UV rule and tell me what is the integration of this term. It is u, that is x square. What is the
X
integration of
square
cos of n pi x?
sin n sin n by x
Upon
n
n pi. n नाही
n
येणार,
pi.
n pi येणार आहे. pi पण आहे ना कॉन्स्टंट, बरोबर आहे?
Oh, yes.
ओके, मायनस एक्स स्क्वेअरचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह सांग आता. What is derivative?
2x. No.
Yes, it is
2x.
2x, right? Is the term correct? It is sin n pi x upon L, right?
Yes.
So n pi x upon L, but L value is 1. So no L I have written here. Is it okay? What value of L we are putting? We are putting L equal to 1. So there is no term, right? So what we get? Now integration of sine. काय the integration of sine सांग पटकन. किती वेळ लागतोय?
Cos x.
Integration of sine is minus
Minus
cos.
cos x.
बरोबर आहे? ऑलरेडी एक एन पाय आहे, अजून एक एन पाय येणार आहे, म्हणजे एन स्क्वेअर पाय स्क्वेअर.
Square by square.
गेटिंग मी?
Yes.
Yes. Students, I am repeating the steps for AN. Few students are getting confused here. AN is 2 upon L fx cos n pi x upon L. L value is 1, right? So it will be just cos of n pi x. So this is formula for AN. Is it correct? Is it correct? Just reply me in the chat box. Any doubt in this? And now we are taking integration of this. So x square as it is, and integral of cos is sine. Okay, so I'm on the right track. Okay, so this is the second term. पुढची term काय येईल सांग कुणाल? पहिल्या term डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. पहिल्या टर्मचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह किती आहे? ठीक आहे, कुणाल धावणेला आन्सर द्यायचे. आता कुणाल धावणे अनम्यूट अँड टेल मी. पाटील तू म्यूट करून टाक.
2 into
पाटील लक्ष दे बरं का, व्यवस्थित सिन्सिअरली करा. हा, येस.
2 into sin n pi x upon n cube into pi cube
Yes, it is minus or plus sign?
minus
Minus n cube upon
pi cube.
pi cube. याच्या पुढे टर्म येणार आहे का?
नाही.
नाही. ओके, आता पुट कर. टर्म राहते. टर्म to get the first term for the upper limit, 1, right? ही टर्म राहतीये, पण साइन ऑफ एन पाय काय येतं?
0.
0. सो x इक्वल टू 1 गिव्स 0. मग मी ही टर्म लिहिणारच
हो.
नाही. ठीक आहे, आता दुसऱ्या टर्म मध्ये मी x इक्वल टू 1 लिहिलं. टर्म राहतीये का? राहतीये. बरोबर आहे. व्हॉट इट विल गिव्ह मी? cos of n pi
n
upon
square pi.
n square pi square. ठीक आहे, तिसऱ्या टर्म मध्ये मी x इक्वल टू 1 टाकलं तर ती टर्म राहतीये का?
नाही.
नाही. कारण काय?
sin n pi x equal to 0.
sin n pi equal to 0. n pi x नाही. ओके, sin n pi is 0, not n pi x. sin of n pi is 0. त्यामुळे ही टर्म काही राहणार नाही. ठीक आहे, आता अप्पर लिमिटला मला फक्त एकच टर्म मिळाली. तुम्ही सगळं सबस्टिट्यूट करत बसला ना तर खूप लेंदी एक्सप्रेशन दिसेल. सो डोंट पुट इन ऑल टर्म्स, राईट? आता एवढं स्मार्ट स्टेप आपण वापरायला पाहिजे, आपल्याला प्रॅक्टिस झाली. ओके, नाउ पुट 0. So when I put x equal to 0, what will be the first term? That will be 0, isn't it? What will be the second term?
0.
This is also 0 because it is a product. And what is the third term? That also gives 0 because sin 0 is 0. Right? Means in all the terms are 0. Okay, so we get 4 into minus 1 raised to n upon n square pi square. बरोबर आहे. किती जण हे आन्सर करेक्ट आलं होतं? तुम्ही एकदा हात वर करा बरं, चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये नाही कळणार आता. जस्ट रेज युअर हँड, लेट अदर्स ऑल्सो सी हाऊ मेनी ऑफ यू वर गेटिंग एक्झॅक्टली सेम आन्सर इंडिपेंडेंटली. लेट मी सी. Let me see the number. How many of you have raised your hand? Let me see the number. Okay, good, good. एक पण मिस्टेक नाही पाहिजे. Few students are not responding. Shubham Pawar, 56. Shubham Pawar, could you get the answer? Abhishek Gote, could you get the answer? Okay, you people now can use the reactions also sometimes. If you want to say yes, just put a tick mark. If you want to say no, just put a cross. आता मी विचारते, आलं नसेल तर क्रॉस करा. ओके, शंतनू पाटील, संदेश परस्पतकी. ओके Okay, Anoop. Yashdeep, अभिजित जमदार, क्षीरसागर. मला अंदाज येईल म्हणजे मी फास्ट जायला पाहिजे का स्लो जायला पाहिजे ते. सो गिव्ह द करेक्ट ऑनेस्ट रिप्लाय. And few are not responding means what they are doing. Aditya Khedkar, Darshan Gongde, Shivadityan. Could you get the answer, Shivadityan? Okay, saying no. Let me, yeah, Anup has got it correctly. Now let me again share the screen. I lost the screen connection. Wait. So, is it a very simple topic? Okay, Yashdeep is admitting honestly. But Yashdeep, is it now clear to you? Tell me. Yashdeep? Okay, good, good. There can be a mistake. There must be a mistake. There is a mistake means you have tried something. There is no mistake and neither it is correct nor there is a mistake means you are not doing anything. So either you should get the correct answer or there should be a mistake. Some kind of response I should get from you. Okay, that is expected. So 54 participants raised their hand for getting the answer correctly. 54 is 1/3 approximately, not 1/3, but 40% of the student they are able to get the correct answer. Few have put a cross, but what others are doing, take it seriously, students. Exam will be simple if and only if you are taking the lecture seriously, otherwise not. Okay. Yeah, everything is based on 12th maths. If you have done everything nicely in 12th, here you will find it very interesting and easy. Okay, now let us solve example. But this we haven't completed, na? Bn is 0, that we have